Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable game mode for your Razer Opus X. So basically we have a few options how to enable it. We can use the controls or we can use an application. And let's get started with use an application. So just open it, click on your headphones here, and right here in the second line we have game mode. So just click at the slider near to it, enable it. If you want to disable, just click on it again. But as I said previous, we can use also controls. So right here at the right ear cup we have multifunctional button between volume up and volume down buttons. So press and hold on it for at least 5 seconds until you will hear game mode. And as you can see we activate it, so to disable it, press and hold on it again and you will hear normal mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!